Using Credit.com installment loans is a straightforward process that can provide you with the financial assistance you need. To get started, you first need to understand what an installment loan is. An installment loan is a type of loan where you borrow a fixed amount of money and repay it in equal installments over a specified period of time. To apply for a Credit.com installment loan, you will need to visit the Credit.com website and fill out the online application form. This form will require you to provide some personal and financial information, such as your name, address, income, and employment status. You will also need to specify the amount you want to borrow and the repayment term you prefer. Once you have submitted your application, Credit.com will review your creditworthiness and provide you with a list of loan offers from different lenders. You can then compare these offers and choose the one that best suits your needs. Make sure to carefully review the terms and conditions of each loan, including the interest rate, fees, and repayment terms. After selecting a loan offer, you will need to provide some additional documentation, such as proof of income and identification. Once your loan is approved, the funds will be deposited into your bank account, and you can use them for any purpose you need. Repaying your Credit.com installment loan is also a simple process. You will need to make regular payments, which can be automatically deducted from your bank account. Make sure to make your payments on time to avoid late fees and negative impacts on your credit score. It is also important to note that Credit.com installment loans can have different interest rates and fees, depending on the lender and your creditworthiness. To get the best deal, make sure to compare multiple loan offers and choose the one with the lowest interest rate and fees. In addition, it is essential to only borrow what you can afford to repay, and to make timely payments to avoid defaulting on your loan. Defaulting on a loan can have serious consequences, including damage to your credit score and collection activities. In conclusion, using Credit.com installment loans can be a convenient and efficient way to get the financial assistance you need. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure a smooth and successful experience. Always remember to carefully review the terms and conditions of your loan, and to make timely payments to avoid any negative consequences.